Welcome back to my channel, Saving with Christina, and happy Walmart Wednesday. You guys, yesterday was a crazy long day. I worked what felt like sun up to sundown. By the time I finished work, it was close to 9:30 last night, but my body was just done. So it was a long day, but I finished a big work project and I am hoping that gives me just a little bit of breather over the next couple of days. But I'm kind of in that place where no matter how much I get done, there's always something else there waiting to be done. So I'm trying to reframe and look at that as an exciting opportunity versus something that's completely overwhelming. But in all honesty, it kind of feels like both. But enough about me. Let's talk about the deals for the week. In the video, I'm going to show you the best deals that I grabbed over at Walmart for the week. I will show you how I got all of these items completely free and made $3 buying it all. But I also need to announce the winner of the 9,000 subscriber giveaway. Yes, I'm bummed I didn't hit 10,000 by the end of the year, but that's okay. I will hopefully get there pretty soon and I'll do yet another giveaway. But the giveaway winner for that video was CareBear808. So send me an email. Let me know if you want that $20 gift card to Walmart or Target and I will get that sent out to you. In that video, I asked you to drop a comment letting me know what one of your goals was for 2022. And a lot of people talked about wanting to get in a better place financially. So based on those responses, I actually did a new thing for the year, and it is a savings challenge. So if you haven't had a chance to check out that video, I will drop that link down below. If you want to take that challenge with me, would love to have you, and all the details are in that video. Last little announcement before I get into the deals. This is a challenge week. Coupon wins with Linz and I are battling it out to see who can score the best deals at Walmart for the week. But we need your help because we've done so many challenges at this point. I can't think of what a fun, unique, generous, kind consequence should be. So drop a comment down below, help us out, let us know what you think the loser of the challenge should have to do. I suggested streaking through Walmart, but we decided that probably wasn't the best idea, so we need your help. I'm gonna break the video down this week by the app that I used for cashback. So I'm gonna start with the Ibotta deals that I did. If you're brand new to Ibotta, you have no idea what I'm talking about. It is an awesome cashback app. I do have a full tutorial on it if you're interested in learning more about it. But one of the things I grabbed were the Poise pads. These are priced at $4.88 each. You want to grab 2 of them. Now, there is a $5 off to printable coupon that I have linked for you in the printable document. So you'll pay $4.76 at the register, and then Ibotta is giving $4 back, so $2 back on each of them, making them 76 cents for both of them, or just 38 cents a piece. Great deal on these if it's a product that you need. Also a great donation item to the women's shelter. I'm gonna move these so I get them out of the way. I felt like there were better deals on personal care items, not as many food deals this week. And y'all know I love the food deals. But I did grab these You by Kotex, Barely There. It's the 50 count liners. They're priced at $2.97 each. You want to grab 2 of them. That makes your total of $5.94. But you will submit your receipt to the coupons.com app and get $4 back there. And then when I submitted my receipt to Ibotta, it actually attached to 2 different Ibotta offers. So I ended up getting $4 back on Ibotta, making these completely free and a $2.06 moneymaker. So awesome deal there. I did see an Ibotta offer this morning. I posted it over on my Instagram super early as soon as I saw it. So if you're not following me there, you can find me at Save with Christina. But they have the Chobani yogurts. There's an Ibotta rebate for $1 back on each of them. And my store has the yogurts priced at $1 a piece. So that makes 5 of them completely free. And I believe this week's inserts, if you get the paper inserts, had $1 off 5 coupon. So it makes it an amazing deal. I'm hoping to sneak over there later today and score some free yogurt because I really love the Chobani yogurts. The Durex. So this is still a deal. If you can find these at your store, these are priced at $2.78 each, the Durex Air condoms, and you get $3 back on Ibotta with a limit of 2. That makes both of these completely free and a 22-cent moneymaker. Now, a couple of food things that I grabbed with Ibotta, these Ritz toasted crackers, these are priced at $2.82. Ibotta had a rebate for $1 back, making them just $1.82. So I ended up using my overage from the moneymakers to cover some of the groceries that I bought. That's just kind of how I like to do it. My husband loves these cookies. It's like his favorite cookies. So because it was a Keebler cookie rebate on Ibotta, I went ahead and grabbed some of these. They're priced at $2.70. With that 50-cent Ibotta rebate, it makes it just $2.20. Maybe not a stock-up price for y'all, but it makes him happy, so I bought some. Other Ibotta rebates. I grabbed these 5-star folders. The purple one was on clearance for 50 cents. There were some other ones that were 97 cents. The purple ones rang up 50 cents for me. So I grabbed 2, total cost of $1, but Ibotta had a rebate for $2 back when you buy 2, making them both free and $1 moneymaker. Now, I think that was it on Ibotta. I did find some awesome clearance stuff that I paired with the Shopkick app. So I'm going to tell you about that here in just a second. But I also found these huge woodwick candles. These are originally $22. My store had them on clearance for $3. And I grabbed, what is this, smoked walnut and maple. I thought it smelled good because it smells, I don't know if masculine is the right word, but I like smells like that aren't fruity. I don't know. So I grabbed one for $3, thought it was a great deal. Shopkick. Again, if you're not using Shopkick, I do have a full tutorial on that app. But if you are brand new and you use my link and code SWC5, you're going to score $5 when you join. And of course, it is free to join. But you want to go to the clearance aisle and see if you see these Find Your Happy Place items. So I grabbed the hand cream, I grabbed the bath bomb, and I grabbed the shower gel. They are all 75% off because all of the Christmas items are still 75% off. So let me tell you how this worked out. I grabbed this hand cream. 86 cents was the total cost, but Shopkick had an offer for 325 kicks back. That's equivalent to $1.25. So I got this completely free and a 39-cent moneymaker just from scanning it and submitting my receipt to the Shopkick app. I also got the bath bomb. This one was priced at $1.24 on clearance, but I was able to find $1.50 off Peely, which attached to this, making it negative 26 cents at the register, and then submitting my receipt to Shopkick, getting $1.25 back, made it completely free and $1.51 moneymaker. I also got the shower gel. Now, learn from what I did. So when I tried to scan the Peely coupon a second time, it only took one of them. Even though it says you can use 2 per transaction, my gut tells me had I checked out with the bath bomb and the shower gel in separate transactions, both of the Peelys would have worked. So that's the way you want to try it if you can find both of those items. So this is priced at $1.74 minus that $1.50 Peely coupon that was stuck to some of the items, makes it 24 cents. Submit your receipt to Shopkick and you'll get $1.25 back, making it free and $1.01 moneymaker. Another Shopkick offer that reset for me, so I went ahead and grabbed another one, was the cream of mushroom soup. It also works on the other cream of soups. So this is 98 cents. I scanned it and then submitted my receipt to Shopkick, making it just 56 cents total after rebates. Now, this is one thing I have never done in my life. I purchased dog food, which made me laugh because I remember seeing a comment somewhere. It was either a comment or a video that said, I knew I had taken couponing too far when I purchased dog food and I didn't even have a dog. So that made me laugh, and it made me think of that. This is one of those deals where if I didn't have a YouTube channel where I showed people the best deals of the week, I probably wouldn't do it because I don't have a dog, and it's not that much of a moneymaker to warrant buying it and then donating it. But because I do what I do, I did buy it, and I'm going to tell you about it. It's on the Beneful dog food. So this is priced at $5.97. Once you purchase it, you want to submit your receipt to the coupons.com app where you're going to get $2 back. Then you submit it to the Shopkick app where you're going to get $4.08 back. It was 1,020 kicks for scanning it and then buying it. And that has already come back to me. So that makes my total cost completely free, an 11-cent moneymaker. So if you are my friend and you're watching this and this is a product that you would feed your dog, send me a text message and I will deliver it to your house. Otherwise, I will be donating it to an animal shelter. Okay, I think that was it on the Shopkick deals. The last couple deals I want to tell you about before I show you all the clearance pictures is on the app Swagbucks. I know Swagbucks tends to be more confusing for some people. I do have a complete tutorial that hopefully breaks it down super simple. If you want to check that out, it's linked in the video description box below. Now, a heads up, when I logged into Swagbucks this morning, I could not find either of these offers. So I did them yesterday. They were still there yesterday. They're gone for me today. Double check your app, see if they're there. I'm still gonna tell you about them just in case you still see them and or they come back. But the refresh, so these I did last week, I believe as well, or 2 weeks ago. It's a limit of 2 per month. These refresh car odor eliminators are priced at $1.84 each. When you buy 2, you pay $3.68, but Swagbucks is currently giving back $5, making it free and $1.32 moneymaker on both of these. For some reason, last time when I submitted this, it only picked up that I had purchased 1, so I did have to like hit that button that says review my receipt, and then I said, hey, I purchased 2, you should be able to see them on the receipt, and within, I think 24 hours, definitely less than 48 hours, they had credited me the $5. The Fabuloso. So this one is a great freebie for cleaning products. These are priced at $2.97 each. Swagbucks was giving $6 back for buying 2 of them. 2 at $2.97. You get back $6 on Swagbucks, making it free and a 6-cent moneymaker. And you can do that deal twice, making them all free and a 12-cent moneymaker. Now, I believe that was everything. No, I lied to you. I forgot this little Vaseline. This was a Shopkick deal, though. I mentioned it last week as well. Deal's still going on. $1.77. Found it over in the travel section, but Shopkick has an offer for $2.36 back on any Vaseline product, making this free and a 59-cent moneymaker. So that was the last deal I did with Shopkick. So again, it made everything completely free and a $3 moneymaker. So awesome, awesome deals over at Walmart. I forgot to calculate the cost per item, so I'll do that here in just a minute. That way we know who won the competition, me or Coupon Wins with Linz. Don't forget to drop a comment below letting us know what you think the consequence for the loser should be, and we will pick one of the fun ones. And one of us will do that thing before our next Walmart video. Hope y'all are having a fantastic start to the new year and a great week. Thanks.